In this video, I'll be revealing exactly how I'm dropshipping with less than 10-day shipping times from China without using AliExpress. And at the very end of this video, I'll even show you how I recently added a 3-day shipping option to my Shopify store. So stay tuned. What's up guys, it's your boy Jordan back with another e-commerce video. And listen, this year I am on a mission. I'm on a mission to make over $5 million with my e-commerce brand and document the entire process as much as I can so that I can lead by example and help you start your own online store. I want to try to hit 100,000 subscribers and help 1,000 people start their own online store in 2021. So if you want to see that journey and support my vision, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up as it shows it to more people and helps my channel grow. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. Being transparent is one of the most important things to me, so I want to show you some of these shipping times firsthand on my dashboard. So you can see this is the Shopify dashboard here, and I'm going to click on orders. We're going to go to fulfillment status, fulfilled. We're going to change the date to the last 30 days. And then we'll just sort by the oldest ones. That way we can pull some that have arrived. So we'll take this one and we'll take this one, for example. If we click on the link here, you can see that this was delivered in 6 days. And if we click on this one, once again, you can see that it was in 6 days. And that's using the same exact shipping method that I'm gonna share with you right now. Real quick, I just want to explain why AliExpress is not a sustainable tool to scale your business. In my business, AliExpress really only has one use, and that is to test new products. This is really the only benefit of this website. There are a ton of sellers, there's a mass variety of products, but when it comes to scaling a product with this platform, it is not sustainable at all. The major problem with AliExpress is that there are massive variations between the supplier's shipping times and product quality. So when you're fulfilling a product from this platform, it's totally a random game on if your supplier is gonna do a good job or not. The one piece of advice I can give in that initial testing phase is study those suppliers heavily. Look at their reviews, look at how many other products they have and how long they've been in business. Just make sure to be very careful on who you decide to work with, and when you do find somebody that has the product that you're looking to sell, make sure you message them and build up some type of rapport so you know that there's a real person on the other side that wants to help you grow. But once again, this website is only for testing products. So once you found a product that is selling well, I'm gonna recommend some alternatives now to take that to the next level. All right, so now I'm gonna show you 2 alternatives to AliExpress that offer faster shipping. These tools are good for that first phase of your business where you're getting maybe 5 to 20 orders per day and you're looking to provide a better experience for your customers. All right, so the first tool is called ePerlo. This is very similar to AliExpress. These products are all shipping from China, and you can see they have a lot of the big dropshipping products on here. But the major benefit of using an app like this is that they provide shipping lines that you normally wouldn't be able to get from AliExpress. So you can see that they're offering Yuan, which is a really good shipping line that even I use. They offer 4PX, and then they offer the traditional e-packet from AliExpress, which I wouldn't recommend using right now. It's super slow. So with an app like this, you're gonna get better shipping times, but it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. So if you can afford the cost difference, this is a great tool for shipping products from China. All right, and the second tool is called Spocket. Now this app is very similar, but the only difference is that they mainly focus on products that ship from the US and Canada. Now the major downside to Spocket is their product library is not the greatest. A lot of these products really don't have major scaling potential on a dropshipping store, but every once in a while you'll find some pretty cool stuff. Like this plant hanger is pretty nice. You can see that it ships worldwide in 8 to 14 days, which is pretty good shipping times compared to Ali. It's a pretty dope product as well. I'd honestly put this in my house. Then you have something like this, which is also a dropship product that I think could do all right, especially for the eco-friendly crowd. And you can see that once again, it ships 8 to 14 days to the US. So they got a ton of products on here, but like I said, it's a good app for fast shipping, but the actual product library is not the greatest. But anyways, these are 2 apps that you could use in that starting phase of your business. Now, once you start scaling and you want to crank things up to the next level and and get those juicy 6 to 10 day shipping times, this is the method that I use, and this is what I recommend you guys try to get to as soon as possible. Let's talk about it. So the best and fastest way to ship products out of China is actually using a private agent. An agent is somebody who has connections in China with the fulfillment centers, the shipping lines, and the manufacturers to help you get the best price and fastest shipping possible. And to explain the process on how you work with an agent, I'm actually gonna call mine up and have him break this down for you. He has over 10 years of experience and can do a much better job explaining than I ever could. Hey, what's up, Dayu?
Yo, Jordan, how's it going, my man?
Doing good, bro. If you don't mind, I wanted you to explain a little bit to my audience about the process of working with an agent and how that goes down.
Yeah, sure. So this is Dayu. I run e-com ops, a private fulfillment agency, and it's super easy, really. I mean, for us, we got a website. All you gotta do is to fill out the form, give us your product. We go out there and work for you. We're gonna find the best factories. We're gonna find the best product quality and price combination. We're gonna improve it for you if you need it. We're gonna brand it for you if you need it. We use the most consistent shipping lines as well. And especially if you're comparing something like AliExpress, man, this is not even dropshipping anymore.
Yeah.
We're basically your supply chain partners. And this is not just a better dropshipping process, it's really just leveling up your game. So if you want to take it to the next level and build a longer lasting brand and just make a lot more money and just a lot more consistency, definitely one like us.
It's been a pleasure working with you, and I hope that this has been helpful to the people that are watching.
Yeah, you too, man, and we'll scale to the moon and beyond.
Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. All right, catch you later, bro. So that's pretty much exactly what I've done. I worked with Dayu to source my product for a cheaper cost with the best possible quality, and we use a private shipping line called Meinvexcellent to ship products with less than 10-day shipping times. So since working with an agent, I've even been able to do a couple extra things that have elevated my brand to the next level. I was able to print a custom logo on my product, get my product in a custom package, and I was even able to work with the manufacturer themselves to improve the quality of my product, such as the sizing and the components that go inside of it. And now I'm ordering thousands of these products every single week and shipping them directly with my agent. And from using this method, I'm actually getting a 4.3 feedback score from Facebook, which makes my ads run much more effective and allows me to get costs so much cheaper. So that's pretty much exactly how my shipping is set up in China. My next stage that I'm getting to is 3-day shipping times, and I'm gonna real briefly touch on that before we end this video. So I recently placed a bulk order of products from China to a United States fulfillment center, and my goal for 2021 is to ship the majority of our orders out of this fulfillment center. Doing it this way ends up being cheaper in the long run, and it gives my customers the best possible experience when shopping with us. I'm gonna link a fulfillment center down below that you guys could send your products to and ship them from if you're interested in US fulfillment. And if that's something that you guys want to see in another video as I learn more about it, go ahead down below and comment USA or drop a USA flag, and I'll make a video about that in the future. But that's pretty much all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below for more. I'm really on a mission this year to make my channel great and document the entire process of building this brand. So if that is something that you want to see, stay tuned for some great content. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.